Luke is pretty mental because today we're fitting an exhaust to a Zetec S. This is a 17-year-old's wet dream and we're going to make it even wetter because we are modifying this car and giving it away at the end of next month. So get ready and let's make this biatch loud. So today we've got the Fiesta, we're back with it and we're putting this massive exhaust. This thing is going to sound crazy. So our first job is of course to crack this open and see what kind of bad boy exhaust system we're putting on the Fiesta. Oh my god, that is insane. Right, let me crack this open, do some operation procedure. Oh my god, that exhaust tip, is that the tip? That's huge. That's huge.
That's what she said.
This thing is gonna be absolutely crazy. Oh come on, this is a 17-year-old's wet dream. Let's be real. I think I've done enough cutting about and we've got it on lock. We're putting this on the Fiesta, let's go! So this is the exhaust in question. We have a Sportex back box and this will be fitted on the Fiesta today. So obviously you're gonna hear what the exhaust sounds like now and we're gonna turn this thing into a beast. Full on rally spec Zetec S. It's gonna be loud, it's gonna be messy. Let's get frothy.
What did he say?
So as you can hear, the stock exhaust is just not it. So let's get this Sportex back box on this Fiesta Zetec S. And by the way, you're going to be able to win this car at the end of next month. The competition will be up soon, so definitely look out for that. This might fall off, we never know. It is me at the end of the day. How does it, where's the button? That's the button. So basically what we're doing now is the Fiesta is going up in the air so we can start our operations and get the Sportex back box onto this car. I am going to be pressing the buttons. This Fiesta could fall off at any second. We know I'm not qualified for this. So this is the underneath of the Fiesta. Obviously I've had to raise it slightly higher than usual because obviously I'm 7 foot tall, struggles of being tall.
Stop it. Get some help.
But I'm going to give you a quick tour underneath because I know my car so well. So this is a back box, okay? That is what we're taking off today. So it's going to be replaced with a Sportex one. This thing's going to sound like a Bugatti Chiron. Anyway, moving on through, we have got this here. This is the wires. They power all the electrics, I think. Obviously we've got the 2 wheels at the back, 2 wheels at the front. Now this over here. This here is very important. This keeps the wheel in place. What is that? Bottom arm. It's the bottom arm. I don't know if it keeps the wheel in place or not, but that's what it's doing today. And under here is really fecking hot because it's been on and I can feel the heat dripping on my head. Yeah, let's get an exhaust on this beach. So obviously the Fiesta is now up in the air. This is the back box, we're taking it off. It's got 2 little spaffy holes on there. We have ran into one issue. It's not a straight fit. Luke has got to get the grinder out and cut this thing up and somehow attach it back together. So it's going to be interesting. Let's roll with it, see what we can do. I'm going to line it up and make sure the exhaust is right. You never know, we might be rocking this thing with no back box at the end of the day, but I've not got this far to not cut it off, so game's a game. Oh, okay. That is literally, so it's gonna be like there. It's gonna fucking stick out a little bit. Watch this. If I get this in, Leo's got to buy lunch. Fuck! My fucking head. Right. Do you remember when we said we needed to cut it? It's like there, isn't it? Right, so this is the first problem we have. Disc is slightly small, so now we're going to start to cut the exhaust. We've got that much disc left, so we'll see how it goes. I'm fairly confident, but yeah, we get around these problems. We're strong men. I believe I've got to start cutting here, which is nice because I can rest the grinder against whatever the fuck that is. What's this? Do you know what this is? What is this? I don't know. Metal. Oh, I don't know. Right, anyway, I'm going to attempt to start cutting. Safety is #1 priority. Right then, ladies and gentlemen. These exhaust mounts are so annoying to get off. Honestly, a pain in my backside. But once they're off, we can continue cutting, get this exhaust off, and begin to fit the back box. Sorted. Make them like me anymore, mate. They don't. I got loads of metal in my mouth. Right, the back box is off, so you know what we've got to do now. We have got to start the Fiesta with no back box on. Is it going to sound crazy? Let's find out. So, yeah, I've done something. Come on. Right, anyway, yeah. Let's do this. Start it up and see what it sounds like. So I'm going to get underneath here. Just quick discretion, don't do this at home. This is not safe. Right. Are you ready? Oh my God. Oh my God. That sounds crazy. So now all we're doing is fitting the new back box to the Ford Fiesta, and then it'll be time to make sure the mounts are nice and secure, and then we can finally take it out for a little cheeky spin. Right, that's on. Oh wait, we've got a problem. They're the same size. No, they're not. No, they're not. Ignore me. Right, so the exhaust is now on the car. It's all fitted. We've got the paste on. Both arms are also in. So what we're going to do now is leave it idle, let that solidify a little bit, and then we're going to take this out for a drive. So definitely stay tuned for that, because this is going to be rather fun. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lower it down on the ramp, get it on the floor, start it up, and let's see what it sounds like. Lukey boy's fucking done an exhaust on a Fiesta. Call me Los Santos Customs. Right, we're friggin' down, mate. We're ready to rock and roll. I'm like a kid in a candy shop, mate. Right, any bets? Do you reckon it's gonna be loud? No. No? No. I reckon it's gonna sound like a Spitfire plane. Out of curiosity, I just done an insurance quote on the Fiesta to see how much it cost me to insure this car for a year, and it come back at just £400, and that's because I use the insurance hacks which are linked in the bio. If you need cheaper car insurance in just a few minutes, go down there and use code Luke now for a big discount. You will save a lot of money. Oh, it might have a little bit of a throatiness there. How does it look from like the back? Mate, I'm so gassed. One of you's gonna win this for like £1, by the way. Let's give it a listen. So exhaust is on, but what we do need to fix is this wiper motor, because we're about to take this for a drive and the roads are wet and dirty, so we do need to get the screen wash while we're out on the drive. So let me quickly get this fixed and we can go out and drive the car. Bosh, we're done, mate. Oh, you're joking. They didn't give any tape. What a bunch of mugs. I'm complaining. Mate, they didn't put any tape on it at all, look. So we've now got to supply the tape as well, have we? Right. Anyway, that's what it's gonna be like when it goes on. Whoa, this thing's gonna be a whip. Right, so we've got a little problem. We've been scammed by the spoiler company. They haven't put any double-sided sticky tape on this whatsoever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run a little bit of Tiger Seal onto here and then obviously bond it onto the car. At least then we know it's not gonna come off. Just like, well, this isn't working. Today's a write-off. Oh, I can't cut it. Oh, I am definitely cutting way too much off on that. It's gonna spaff absolutely everywhere. Oh my God, I'm such an idiot. It's literally solidified in the whole thing. Oh, I'm gonna fix it. That's the problem. There was a chode in the tube. Oh shit. Oh no. Cough. Right. Let's I'm starting to regret my decision of not wearing any gloves for this. I'm not gonna lie. But it looks okay from here. Looks right from here. Help quickly. Well, we made a bit of a mess. We're gonna fix it. Obviously the spoiler didn't come with any tape, so we had to Tiger Seal it. Tried to use the heat gun. Tiger Seal luckily does come off paintwork fairly quickly and easily. So yeah, once this is dry, we'll get it cleaned up, show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll finally get out on the road, hopefully. And finally, the spoiler is clean. What a mess I really did make of that, but at least we got down and dirty and managed to sort this out, and now it is looking fire. All right, so the spoiler's on and cleaned up. We will do some further cleaning, but we need to get this car out on the road before it rains. So let's go and test drive the Zetec S with a bad boy back box on it. So as you can clearly hear, guys, this sounds really, really good. I'm really happy with it, considering it's just like, you know, a Zetec S 1.6 petrol. It actually sounds really nice, and the downshifts are quite good. It's actually quite an engaging car to drive, to be honest. Like a naturally aspirated ST. That's what I'm going to compare it to. It technically is what it is. But yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I hope you guys think it sounds good. Let me know what you think in the comments, of course. You know, it's a Sportex back box. It's not an expensive back box by any means, but it definitely does the job, and it definitely sounds a lot better than what I thought it was going to sound. So yeah, well done, Luke. You changed an exhaust. Come on. So there's more to come with the Fiesta, do not worry, this is not all. We're going to be painting the wheels, painting the calipers. Before we give this car away, it's going to be completely transformed. And of course, make sure to drop a sub to the YouTube and give us some mod suggestions in the comments, because we're up for anything. Anyway, thank you for watching, drop a like, drop a follow, and see you in the next one. I'm not going to lie, I really need a wee. I'll leave it idle and then I'll go have a wee. Good shout. Oh, wee wee. Yeah, 2 seconds, man. I just need to wash my hands. Oh. Oh. Oh.